Equilibrium. What's going to happen if I apply two forces like this? Well, net force will be equal to 0, and net torque will be equal to 0. Still equilibrium. But what if I apply the same forces differently, like this? It rotates. More and more examples like that. Net force is 0, but net torque is not 0, observing rotation. In this case, these forces cancel each other out. 1F down, 2F up. But net torque is also equal to 0. How do I know? Well, technically, I have to choose an axis and calculate torque. And I could do it this way, make it red. In this case, this torque is 0, and these two will cancel each other. So net torque will be 0. And of course, nothing is moving. But if I use exactly the same forces, but apply them differently, so force number 1, force number 2, force number 3, net force still is 0, but net torque is not 0 anymore, rotation. So in order to have a large object in equilibrium, net force has to be equal to 0, as it was before, but also net torque has to be equal to 0. Two conditions. They have names. Because we have to balance forces, we call it force balance equation. Because we have to balance torque, we call it torque balance equation.